Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Security, Protecting Your Models from Attacks. Imagine you've built a super smart AI. It can write code, detect spam, or even recommend movies. Awesome, right? But what if someone tries to trick it, steal its secrets, or make it do bad things? Just like your house needs locks and your computer needs antivirus, your AI models need security too. As a developer, understanding AI security means protecting your hard work and ensuring your AI helps, not harms. Before we talk about protecting them, let's quickly remember what an AI model is. Think of it like a very clever recipe or a specialized brain you've trained. You feed it lots of ingredients, data, like pictures of cats and dogs, and it learns the patterns. What makes a cat a cat? Once trained, it can cook, predict, or think, classify new things based on what it learned. As developers, we're the chefs and trainers. You might wonder, why would someone attack my innocent AI? Just like people try to hack websites or trick others, attackers target AI for various reasons. 1. Sabotage. Asterisk to make your AI perform poorly or make wrong decisions. E.g., a self-driving car AI making a mistake. 2. Steal secrets. Asterisk to extract sensitive data it learned or even the model itself. 3. Malicious use. Asterisk to trick your AI into doing something harmful, e.g., bypassing security filters. 4. Competitive advantage. Asterisk to gain insights into how your AI works. For developers, this means building not just smart, but also resilient systems. Imagine you're teaching your recipe AI to identify good reviews versus bad reviews. If an attacker secretly slips in a bunch of fake good reviews that are actually terrible, your AI might learn to think bad reviews are good. This is asterisk data poisoning. Developers view this happens during the training phase. If your training data pipeline isn't secure, bad data can sneak in, making your model biased, unreliable, or even malicious from the start. You need to ensure your data sources are trusted and clean. Now your AI is trained and deployed. Imagine it's a security camera AI detecting intruders. An attacker might subtly change an image, add tiny, almost invisible noise. That tricks your AI into thinking a known intruder is just a harmless pet. This is an asterisk evasion attack. Developers view this happens after training, when the model is in use. It's like finding a loophole in your AI's learned patterns. We need to make our models more robust and less susceptible to these subtle changes. Perhaps by training them on examples of these tricks. Adversarial examples. Your AI has learned a lot. What if an attacker tries to make the AI reveal things it shouldn't? Asterisk model inversion. Asterisk imagine your AI recognizes faces. An attacker might try to reconstruct a user's face from the AI's internal knowledge. Membership inference. Asterisk an attacker might ask your AI enough questions to figure out if a specific person's data was used to train it, potentially revealing private information. Developers view asterisk these attacks threaten user privacy and proprietary data. We need to implement techniques like differential privacy, making it harder to link output back to individual data points. And be careful about what data our models retain. Don't worry, there are many ways to protect your AI. 1. Clean data ingestion. Asterisk think of data as food for your AI. Only feed it verified, high-quality ingredients. 2. Robust training. Asterisk train your AI to recognize and resist attacks. This is like teaching your AI self-defense, e.g., adversarial training. 3. Monitor and alert. Asterisk keep an eye on your AI's behavior. If it starts acting weird, that's a red flag. 4. Access control. Asterisk just like you protect your code. Protect who can access and modify your AI models and data. 5. Regular audits and updates. Asterisk AI security is an ongoing process. Regularly check for vulnerabilities and update your models. As developers, we are the first line of defense. AI is powerful, and with great power comes great responsibility. Understanding AI security isn't just for specialists. It's a crucial skill for every developer building AI solutions. By being aware of potential attacks and implementing security best practices, you can build AI models that are not only smart and useful but also safe, reliable, and trustworthy. Let's build a secure AI future, one model at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.